If you rise, if you rise, if you rise, don't forget your past situation. If you stumble, if you stumble, if you stumble, try to lift your mind through meditation. If you rise, if you rise, if you rise, try to keep your good reputation. If you stumble, if you stumble, if you stumble, try to lift your mind through meditation. Keep your feet in the right direction. Feed your spirit all along. Don't mistreat what's inside and all around you. Let the sunshine guide your soul. If you rise, if you rise, if you rise, don't forget your past situation. If you stumble, if you stumble, if you stumble.
Hello there, friends. Good day, good day. I hope you're having a fantastic day. A day as good as mine. Today I'm here at City Caribbean. One of the best tasting Jamaican food I've had anywhere around Haines City. It was hard to find originally when I was trying to locate it, because it is nestled between a store that is called Mr. Insurance and a live crab store in between. 304 Hinson Avenue. If you drive too fast, you'll miss it. But if you find it, you find the right place. I'm telling you, I had a relative visiting from Jamaica a few days back. Came in, I brought the pepper steak, the jerk chicken, and curry goat. And coming directly from Jamaica, when she tasted it, she goes, "Oh my, they can cook." And now this is my third time back, and so today I've ordered jerk chicken. Oh my, I tell you something, I ate breakfast late, so I won't be able to finish this. So I can assure you I'll be taking some home, but I'm gonna dig in anyway. Their cabbage and carrot is really the best. I've had Jamaican food since I've been here and there. And you normally find the cabbage and carrot al dente. This is cooked to perfection. Absolutely fantastic, just like home cooking. The rice and peas, nice and loose, absolutely delicious. The cornbread, to die for. And this is just one of many dishes. Here, if you love curry goat, the curry goat is absolutely the bomb. Oxtail, fish Escovitch. I have not, let's take a look at that. Let's give you a shot of their menu. See if you can see that there. That's the menu. And of course, I could not go without my Jamaican beef patty. So here I am. I'm gonna break into it, kind of give it a little cross section. Nice and flaky dough. Oh my. You gotta have one of these. I took the spicy one today because I felt brave and bold. Like I said, I won't be eating everything, but I have to share it with you. As usual, before I take the first bite, you get the first bite. Jamaican beef patty. Well, my friends, I am new to this area. Moved here sometime in December. At first it was hard to get used to. And I was buying something out in the country. And there's really not a lot of places to go, especially for fine dining. Most fine dining, you have to go back to head back to Orlando. I'll tell you a funny story. In one of my earlier vlogs, I was at this restaurant in Sand Lake. It was the the Pine Grill and Wine Bar. I was talking to the owner, and we're exchanging dialogue. Said, just moved here from Vegas, lived out in Haines City. I said, there's not a lot out there. He looked at me and said, not a lot? There's nothing. But I like it this way. Like I said, wanted something more gourmet. I can always head back to Orlando. But I found the ideal Jamaican spot, and so that's why I'm sharing with you today. Now, Haines City and Devonport can be deceiving, and especially Haines City. There are no master plan community here, but what you'll find is pockets of unique communities here and there, whether it be off Alta Vista, nice little pocket community, Haines Ridge, would be off 10th Street in the Meadow where Ryan Homes are, Highlands and Adam Homes. They're just pockets of very, very nice community. 10th Street and Bates, I must mention. I'm also speaking to you from a realtor perspective in discovering those homes. Like I said at first, it's deceiving, and if you're not in the business, and you drive through Haines City, you'll ask yourself the question, what's there? But there's some beautiful communities here, and so this is where I ended up. And so, my friends, today I'm sharing my experience with you. Got a bite of my patties. I'm gonna dig into my jerk chicken. Okay, let's get a camera angle. Oh my. Oh. So, my friends, the thing I like about this place, it have a nice presentation of what I like going to a Jamaican restaurant. Few tables, but everything is nice and clean, impeccable here. And so that is what drew me to coming here. Now my third time, and it's probably one of my favorite places to come. So thank you for coming along with me as I dig through my jerk chicken. So my friends earlier was talking about real estate. The market is really hot right now.
Okay.
Most people, I know migration is heavy from California but mostly out to Texas. But we're getting our fair share of Californian moving here. Californian, folks moving from Washington State and Canada, this area, and New Jersey, lots of New Jerseyans moving in this area. So we become very prime. Now, there's a lot of advantage, lots of advantages of buying home here in Florida. One of them is the homestead. And for veterans that are deemed 100% disabled, they actually pay zero property tax. And so those are some of the advantage. And if you're deemed 10%, there's a in addition to your homestead, there's an additional $5,000. So there's a lot of advantages in buying taxes. The only in buying properties here. The only one thing that I found a little bit different here versus the West Coast. Take for example, Las Vegas that has no water or very little water. I think you're the best when it comes to reclamation. The typical sewer bill for a single-family resident in Las Vegas is about $240 a year. Your water bill will probably run you about, depending on whether or not you're xeriscape. If you're xeriscape or you're only watering your shrubs, your water bill will probably run you somewhere in about $42. Garbage collection. There, your garbage will run you about $42 per if you had a month, or is it per quarter? I can't recall. But in any event, here you have your sewer. The cost of sewer is about, but it's about $92. $92. Capped at 11,000 gallons of usage of water, whether it be irrigation or water used inside the residence. And your weekly garbage pickup, it's about $20 a month. What else? And so in terms of water, and then in addition to that, your water is about average in terms of pricing. Depending on after they cap you at that $92 per 11,000 gallons, your actual water bill will probably run about $31. So for a typical family of four, you could see your total water bill between the sewer bill between garbage pickup, which all comes together, by the way. The garbage, the sewer, and the water, all in one bill. Typical family could see about $245 a month. And so that's the way it runs here. So some things are cheaper here, and some things are more expensive. So I just thought I'd share that with you. Either way, I love my new location. And so, the crunch we're in right now, you have a lot more, the market is upside down. And why I say that, it kind of remind me of the housing crunch or before the crash in Las Vegas, where I believe that was 2003, 2004, where a house goes in the market today, and there was multiple offers. Similar here at the moment. But the shortage of houses is a result of the virus, obviously, where a lot of building materials are short. Most new built homes, you have to go on a waiting list with about 6 months out from the contract date to build date, unless you found a housing community with spec homes that is ready to move in. And even so, according to some of these builders, the property for spec homes are oftentimes sold before the drywall's even completed. So that's where we are. But it's still a very positive time to be in real estate. And so I'm sure eventually, hopefully by year's end, things will kind of even out in terms of more inventory to match buyers. So that's where we are. So my friends, I've ate as much as I could, considering that I had breakfast late. And today I'm out doing what I call canvassing the neighborhood. We're going out to drop flyers off, looking for a prospective seller or buyers. And so I thought I'd stop and grab a bite before I do so. But that's to the extent of how much I'm able to consume. It is now 3:15, and considering that I had breakfast around the 11 o'clock, that was too soon for lunch. But for the purpose of this video, I had to have lunch. So that is it, my friends. Thanks for coming along with me. Until next time, this is your Jamaican in Mood, saying one love. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and your comment is golden. Very, very important. That's the only way I can improve. Until then, love you, my friends. Peace.